Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 18th of March. Sort of have a weather wisdom for today. I'm taking a vacation, and I'm taking a real vacation. I'm not going to post on social media. I'm not going to put a weather forecast out. I'm not going to be putting pictures of what I'm doing. I need a break. And so I'm taking a couple of weeks off. I'll be back doing one of these weather wisdoms. My goal is to put one up later in the morning on April 1st. This is not an April Fool's joke, by the way. But I will be spending some time decompressing, relaxing, and not looking at social media and not posting. So that's what will be going on. I hope you will stick with me, of course, and we'll put out another forecast when we get to early April. And hey, it'll be early April by then. So I hope that the next, 12, 13 days goes well. I hope there's no big snowstorms because honestly, I don't want there to be a big snowstorm that I can't forecast. So let's keep those out of the picture and wait till April till I get back. Have a great day, a great weekend, and a great evening. And thanks very much for listening.